Alright, hey guys, so I thought I would take you on a little adventure that I myself have not been on. I lived here for like a few years, but yeah, I've never really explored it, so I'm gonna go and explore the downtown Menomonee Falls, so let's go do that. Alright, so here we are, and that sound you hear is the sirens they test. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. This is like the dam area. And no, I did not swear. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Just like little shops. There's like a gazebo thing. Stairs right here. It's just basically like a little nature walk type thing. Yeah, that's what it is, and then it just goes from here like all the way around and then back, and then there's like that little bridge right there. So yeah, let's go explore this way. I've honestly never been here, so this is all new to me. And as you can see, there's like all these really pretty flowers right there. Yeah, it's kind of blurry, sorry. But yeah, and then there's that little bridge that I'm gonna go cross over and go on to the other side. And then this is like the busiest street ever, and it's really loud, so if you can't hear me, I'm sorry. But yeah, and then here it has like, it says like dedicated to the defenders of Pearl Harbor, and there's that, and there's also Veterans of Foreign Wars Menomonee Falls Memorial Post, and then there's that. Let's see what this one is over here. This one says Post. So yeah, it has some cool little stuff around here. And then there's this little thing, the dam. Water isn't all that clean. I don't know if you can see that, but from like looking at it with just your eyes, it's brown. So a close look of it. This looks pretty cool, like just the way like the water goes down, and then over here is like a weird tunnel thing that someone probably lives under. So yeah, that's just what it all is here, just basically nature and stuff. So yeah, this is my first time being here. So I think that this is pretty cool. I mean, yeah. I really like the foam down there. And there's like a little ranch that you could climb over. No, not really. I would not advise that. looks like as a whole. That's where I was standing before, right over there and there. So yeah, and then there's all that. And then come over here, lovely construction. So yeah. So that is basically it. That is basically all that there is to it. Alright, well actually I just discovered this little trail right here, so I think we're gonna go into there. They're like people walking their dogs. So yeah. First we're gonna go explore what's over here. So this over here is just like a little river. I like it, it's pretty cool. And this says a lot of words. And then there's like this thing. And this place is just pretty cool. Honestly, I've never been down this way, so let's go explore. And also have to keep an eye on my time. So yeah. Okay. So in the back there's like this big thing, I don't know what it is. So we're gonna go and find out. So yeah, today now I can say that I walked and that I've been on a little nature walk. So yeah. The nice thing is there's little benches there. And good thing it is, it's like warm, but it's not too warm out. So yeah, I have no idea what this thing is. What the heck is this? It just looks like a hole. I don't know, it's pretty massive, like it goes all the way up to there. Looks pretty old too. Oh, it's scary. I hope nothing pops out at me here. Oh my god. Like, oh, this is kind of scaring me. I don't know what this is. For all I know, it could be like a tomb. So, and then there's another one over here. I don't know what this is. Like, what? I think my sister said that it was like an old mill or something. I don't know, but it looks pretty dang frightening. I mean, yeah, but you know. How massive this thing is! It is unbelievably massive. If I could, I would climb that thing. But I can't. I can't climb it because one, it has a fence around it, and two, I can't climb, so therefore I can't climb it. Alright, so that's pretty much all I have. I mean, maybe we'll do like a part 2 where I go down that way, but yeah, it's pretty nice out here. So, and I gotta be home, get home, so I think I'm gonna end the vlog out here. So thanks for watching. I hope you had a fun time here with me. I know I did. Stuff I've never seen before. So yeah, thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, and also remember when you subscribe there's gonna be a little bell. Make sure you hit that. So you can get all my notifications when I upload videos. So yeah, thanks for watching, and this has been a small girl in a tiny world. See ya. So this is kind of weird. Some guy was just talking to me about what those big things were, and I don't know what they were. So yeah, mystery begins.